Now, this very next one is honestly going to hurt me to be able to talk about this because I just said that I am a fan of this team. So I'm not going to hold you guys any longer. It's the Miami Heat. It's the Miami Heat for reasons that have not just happened within the last 6 games. It's something that has been brewing for the season. Something that's happened way too often when it comes to this Miami Heat team. What I don't like when it comes to Miami is there has been 14 losses this season that we've had to where we've had a double digit lead and we've blown it. That is the second most such collapses in the NBA this season, only behind the Utah Jazz. 14, 14, 14 double digit leads. To be lost. And now we have a game in the next few minutes against the Hawks. Are we going to have another double digit loss? I mean, another loss after a double digit lead? I don't know. This is also kind of sort of a Trae Young and Tyler Hero game. There was a lot of stuff that was saying that Trae Young should have been voted in before Tyler Hero did. Tyler Hero got in. He also made he won the 3-point contest. Something Trae Young hasn't done yet. So you got people that's going to be talking about that. Spo, got to talk about you as well. In the game last night against the Bucks, in the start of the fourth quarter, when you entered Terry Rozier, the Bucks went on a 12-2 run in 2 minutes. 40 seconds before the Heat subbed out Tyler Hero. Subbed him out for Tyler Hero. Now, mind you, Tyler Hero put up 40 points last night. 40. That is the second time in 3 games where Tyler Hero has put up 38 or more, and we lost. We are wasting his career year right now. The Miami Heat do not look like a team that is ready to make even a play-in run at this moment. We are 1-5 in the last 6 games, and that matters because that's the amount of time we've been without Jimmy Butler, and we are 1-6 in that time frame. Before we won a game against the Raptors, before I saw that, we went into the All-Star break on a 4-game losing streak. 4-game losing streak. Then made it 5, then won a game and then lost again. This is not how I imagine the season to go. I also imagine Jimmy Butler will still be here, but hey, I respect that he's gone, and I'm glad he's gone somewhere that he can compete and find a way to get into the playoffs and possibly win a championship. Miami, Spo, Pat Riley, Mickey Arison, Caron Butler, Tyler Hero, Bam Adebayo, Khalil Ware. I'm just naming everybody that's a part of the team right now, look, man, y'all got to do something. Change it up. Win some games. Go on a 5-game win streak. Please. I don't like talking about Miami in this way. This is not Miami Heat basketball. This is flameless basketball. This is cold basketball. There's nothing hot about this. Nothing about this says Miami. It's just, you can call it Wisconsin cold or Maine cold. I don't know, but this is not Miami Heat. You're playing with no chemistry. It's like you don't know what's going on. And it seems like Spo still can't figure out lineups. It is now the second half of the season. This cannot continue to go on. So Miami Heat, until you get your stuff together, you are in the doghouse.
My guy, you in the doghouse.